Hey everyone, in this video we're gonna have a look how to install GCC on Windows. If you don't know about the GCC and the compiler, then you can check out my video on the getting it started with programming. Link will be given in the description, or you can click on the top right corner of your screen. And in this video we will see what is Mingw for Windows and how to download it. At last we will see how to install it in your computer. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open the new tab and search for Mingw. And now you can see that Mingw is a GCC for Windows, right? It is just the same. So click on this link and now click on this download button. Your download will be started in 5 seconds. So I have already downloaded it. I will overwrite my existing file. Now I have downloaded my file. Now let's open the folder. And this is the installer of the Mingw. Double click on this. Okay, now you can see that we have a dialog box, and now read all this stuff. And now let's click on the install button, and you must have to specify the directory, right? I will change the directory. I'm gonna create a new folder, let's say Mingw. Okay, so I am in the D drive and in the Mingw directory. Okay, now let's click continue. Wait for the downloading process. Make sure that you are connected to the internet during this installation. Okay, now Mingw installation manager is now downloaded. Now let's click continue. And this is our installation manager, right? Here we have the options for the packages that we want to install. And if you are new to the Mingw, then make sure you are in the basic setup and click on this Mingw 32 base. Mark for the installation. And if you want to work with the C++ compiler, then you can mark the G++ compiler for installation. After this, you have to go to the installation tab. Click on this apply changes. And now this will ask for you to proceed. Then click on this apply. And now it will download all the packages. And now it is installing all the downloaded packages. Okay, now click on the close button. And now you can close this window. And now we have to open the command prompt window. So just press the key combination window logo key plus R. And then type CMD and then hit enter. So here we have the command prompt window. Type here GCC, and you can see that GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command. This is because of we haven't set our environment variable to the GCC compiler path. So I will go to the directory in the D drive in the new folder, and now this is our Mingw directory. And now go to the bin directory, and you can see that we have a lot of applications here, right? These are all executable, right? So we must have to set the path to this GCC executable to our environment variable, right? So let's copy the path of this GCC and now press window logo key and then search for the environment variables. And now click on the environment variable. And now you can see that we have a lot of variables here. We have the system variables and the user variables. Select the path variable and click on this edit. Now you can see that we have a lot of directories already present here. And now let's click on this new button. Right? Now press Ctrl V. And now it will paste this directory that we have copied here. Okay, now let's click on OK. And then again OK. Click on this. Okay. And now we have to exit this, right? And then restart this command prompt. And then type the GCC again. Now you can see that we have the GCC fatal error. That means it has identified this GCC keyword. And now let's zoom a little bit so that you can have a better look. Now let's type GCC version. Now you can see that we have GCC mingw.org GCC 6.3.0, right? So we have installed the GCC version 6.3.0. And in the next video, we will see how to compile and run your code with the help of GCC compiler. This is pretty much for this video, and if you like this video, then make sure to subscribe and share.